As a loyal customer of Anker products, I was super excited to find out that they made a wireless charging stand that would work even with OtterBox cases. Anker's new upgraded PowerWave stand can charge through cases up to 5 millimeters in thickness as long as they don't have any backing such as metal, magnets, pop sockets, or credit card slots. This new version of the PowerWave stand can give you up to 10 watts fast charge for a Samsung and up to 7.5 fast charge for an iPhone as long as you're using a quick charge 2.0 or 3.0 wall charger. Stock chargers that came with your phone will not supply enough power to fast charge, so keep that in mind when purchasing a PowerWave stand. The PowerWave is sleek, elegant, and basically fits anywhere. This is the perfect charging device for your home, your office, or even just your nightstand. To purchase a PowerWave by Anker, the link is in the description section below, so be sure to check it out. That's it for now, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and thanks for watching.